Listen, man. I did this haircut with animal clippers. Animal clippers. I'm not capping. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy, the Fourth Ken, and I got a crazy video for y'all today. First things first, y'all know I love making up creative challenges. I've been sitting on this idea since 2019. Some of you guys may remember I posted it on my community tab, but originally I was gonna do an animal clipper self-cut challenge. So I'm presenting the animal clipper challenge. Basically, what you have to do is buy some animal clippers and cut someone's hair with it. Anyone is open to try this challenge. I got a couple people that I want to challenge. First person I want to challenge is Austin Mars TV. Second person I want to challenge is Chris Basio. Third person I want to challenge is Dre Clipper Hands. And the fourth person I want to challenge is 360 Jeezy. So make sure you guys do this challenge. Just buy some clippers at PetSmart or Petco. Right now I'm about to go into the PetSmart. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't even know what I'm getting. I heard they have animal trimmers, so we'll try and find them, but if they don't, I'll just be getting the clippers. But hopefully they have some trimmers, because I'm trying to line somebody up with the trimmers, see how sharp it can get. So just do a haircut with the animal clippers / trimmers. You can enhance it, do all that extra stuff. You can do whatever you want. It's pretty open. I just want to mix things up. I'm going to go into the PetSmart, and I'm going to show y'all what we finna cop. Let's go. Excuse me? Where's the animal clipper section?
Like shavers and stuff?
Yeah.
You're gonna go to aisle 5.
Aisle 5? Yeah. Okay, thanks. Okay, so these are what they have. So I'm gonna get this one, cordless combo kit, and it has a trimmer. That's the main reason why I'm gonna get it, because it has a trimmer. So let's go get it. So I ended up getting the cordless wall animal clipper. It says it's ideal for light to medium coats of like the hair. So it has a trimmer and a clipper. So this is why I got this one. So we're gonna have fun.